Try something today if you guys can see the way I hang my curtains. So first I got the front visor. I'm gonna lean my seat back because I got my side curtains. I'm gonna let these clips out. Back curtain. Oopsie. Side curtain. Other side curtain. So here's the finished product. That's the sun visor I was talking about. Here's the inside curtains. It gets really warm in the parking lot. That's why I hang my curtains. I got me a little fan. Hold on 1 second. And this is all the way to the front again.